welcome back to River Spawns and Campfires. So I don't know if you guys picked it up on camera or not, but just behind me, probably around 25 feet or so, and over to the right, there was a jump. So I looked around to see if I could see anything, and the water is so shallow right there that I was actually able to see 3 or 4 salmon hanging out. So I'm going to move back a bit, just kind of let the pool calm down a little bit, and I'm going to give it a go right there. I'm going to turn the GoPro on as well, and hopefully we'll see what happens. I'm going to take a little break for now because we're pretty much is around 1 o'clock, 1:30, so we're pretty much in the hottest part of the day where the salmon aren't going to be as active. So I'm going to get the tent set up, and I'm going to go back to the Jeep, just get a few things that I need them for the night, get all set up, and probably cook supper. Then after that, probably fish a little bit before supper actually, but after that, get supper, and then give it a good go then as it's getting dark. brought a little bit of firewood with me, and I'll look at getting some firewood that's around here as well afterwards, but I definitely have enough now to cook, and a couple pieces to put on the fire for later on tonight when it gets dark too. So this is it's around 2 o'clock, 2:30. It's a dead heat of the day now. I'm wearing all this fishing gear. It's really, really hot. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to take this fishing gear off. It's too hot to fish for a little bit. The fish are probably, they got no energy when it's this hot and this sunny. So I'm going to wait till it cools down. And that's exactly what I'm about to do. I'm going to hop on that river, nice and cool. I was actually eyeing out a couple spots there earlier when I was walking the river. Just right behind me there by the rock where I sat down when I came in is a great spot to swim. So that's what I'm going to do. Cool down for a bit. So what I'm doing is I'm a little bit hungry anyway. I ate a couple hours ago. This was going to be for breakfast, but I was told that there are some black bears now around here, so rather than have food kind of uncooked overnight, I'm just going to cook this up and eat it, and then wash everything up really good. Keep the fire going. I do have bear spray, and I got the my knife and stuff, so it should be fine. Plenty of black bears around here, and for the most part, keep their distance, especially if you get the fire going. But just to be honest. The tent now. There's some flies inside the tent, but it's not too bad. I did move the fire afterwards. I got the fire over closer to where I am. I just feel a little bit safer there, where there's supposed to be some black bears around here. So good night. We'll see you guys in the morning.